Appreciation of the poem 4.1 The world is mine. Standard 10th. Appreciation of the poem. Title: The world is mine. Name of the poet: Joy Lovelet Crawford. Rhyme scheme: there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. This is the poem in free verse. Figures of speech: apostrophe, repetition, alliteration, etc. Theme is central idea. The central idea of the poem is that you must count your blessings rather than complain about the things which you think you lack. When you are thankful to God for all the good things you are endowed with, then the world and its joys are yours. Then you cherish the things which you often take for granted and find no reason for complaining.